County in eastern Pennsylvania, eastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Port Hampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Gainesville to Wisconsin, northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations intended include Allentown, Easton, Newton, Bethlehem, Fort, Emmett, Northampton, Hackettstown, Wilson, Washington, Blairstown, Allentown, Nazareth, Denver, Pine Ridge, Edinburgh, Winnicott, Clinton, Bath, and Belvedere. This includes the following highways: northeast extending between mile markers 47 and 74. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 49 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 18. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 1 and 24. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton. Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Stoddardville to Gilbert, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Newton, Montague, Mount Pocono, East Stroudsburg, Tobiana, Franklin, Hamburg, Sussex, Branchville, Stoneville, High Point, Rary Lake, Pocono Pines, Millbrook, Lake Harmony, Vernon Valley, Skitoff, Tannersville, Long Pond, and Sunshine Valley. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 283 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 2. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 13. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: